And the text was short. Hey, just wanted you to know we got hit hard from Hurricane Helene. Your system worked perfectly. I've been providing hot showers and internet to all of my neighbors.
Our goal, our mission is to change the world by helping people become energy independent. That's individuals, right? Families, whole organizations, by providing a plethora of products that service every level of that need.
You think about power and how much you use it in your life, it's everywhere.
The main function of our product is to provide energy at any moment.
You know, your life, your power, your way. Like our products should facilitate you to live wherever life takes you.
For me, it's about clean energy. It's also about freedom, about independence.
And so with our portable solutions all the way to our commercial industrial utility, all we're trying to do is get people energy where they need it, when they need it.
And we are just at the beginning. We are not done yet.